When you're servicing laptops, tablets, or mobile devices, the wrong tool can slow you down, or worse, cause damage. IT pros need a reliable, organized kit that keeps every repair efficient and safe. That's where the StarTech.com Laptop Toolkit comes in. Designed by IT technicians for IT technicians, this compact 40-piece toolkit gives you everything you need to work confidently on modern devices. You get precision bits and essential pry tools that let you open housings while reducing scratches or stress. A durable anodized aluminum screwdriver paired with 30 steel bits covers virtually every device you'll encounter, from Phillips and Torx to Pentalobe and Tri-Wing. And the innovative case design keeps your workflow clean, with a detachable lid that doubles as a magnetic sorting tray for screws and small parts. StarTech.com. Hard to find, made easy.